Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Twisted Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025. This is the daily frame, guys, with 1 minute to go before the New York Open. As you can see, the rampaging bull market is still very much intact. We had a huge day yesterday, after a big day the day before, after a big day the day before. Today we have an inside day, unchanged body, a little doji here on the Nasdaq and on the S&P, and something similar, slightly up day here on the Dow. So just resting this morning here, guys, all the way through Asia and through London here this morning. We have some clean traffic from yesterday in New York. This is yesterday, Asia, Europe, New York. This is today, Asia, Europe, and New York's about to open. Clean traffic down below. The arrow is not a prediction. It's simply showing where we had some smooth sailing, and we could get smooth sailing again if we drop down below. That's all. Couple of naked bodies here, guys. Some call them fair value gaps, no idea why. And similar picture here on the S&P with a little naked body, bigger naked body, and the biggest naked body, no offense, and clean traffic all the way through here. Grinding sideways, guys. I'd be looking for a break below or a break above on the Nasdaq, a break below or a break above. You get the idea. I'll bring you back here on the open. And there's the 1 minute open range, guys. As you can see, we're looking at 15 points. Very, very small, narrow range. On the Nasdaq, guys, and on the S&P, only 2.5 points. One of the smallest open ranges I've seen in a very, very long time. Nothing for me to do here, guys. I will be very patient here this morning. On the 1 minute chart, guys, you will see the Asian open range and the London open range, and you can see that we're basically straddling both of those right now with price action. Very choppy, sloppy overnight session here, guys. This is a narrow range, and so I'll be looking for some kind of expansion beyond this messy area. Inside of this messy area, I will not be touching. In fact, I think it's safe for me to say that my dynamic open range will be from here to here as a starting point, guys. And that simply includes this and that. And now I'm going to delete the London and Asian open ranges. And so as long as we are trading inside of this area here, guys, there are no trades for me. And so I'll just put you on pause and bring you back. And so we have an inside day, guys, with a marginal bearish body as we speak, but that could flip bullish in about 3 seconds. So really completely unchanged and neutral here on the daily, guys, for this particular candle. Overall, this is a rampaging bull market. Are we extended? Yeah. But that doesn't mean we have to drop all of a sudden or rally again all of a sudden. We could literally rest for the entire day, or something much bigger can happen. And dropping down a little bit here, guys. I would ask you to keep in mind my pre-framing here. Focus on this area down here. We have a divergence here, guys, between the Nasdaq and the S&P. Down below open range on the Nasdaq, up above open range, and pushing higher on the S&P. It's bringing out a market here, guys. Doing some measuring. All right, sell stop order for now, guys. Sell stop order for now. Here we go. And I'm in, guys. And I'm in. Just got triggered in there. Short the Nasdaq into this clean traffic range, guys, after a failed attempt higher. 9 below 21, both EMAs have left the original open range. This is a break below pivot and below my dynamic open range that I set up at the start of the session. And now it's the waiting game. You will notice that we have significant weakness on the Nasdaq. We are now pulling down and realigned on the S&P. Not the location, because we are still just above the open range here, but in terms of candle printing, 3 blue candles, 3 blue candles, and so on. This is no longer hurting the weakness on the Nasdaq. All right, guys, I'm back. It's 11:45 a.m. That means the Europe is closed. It means my optimal trading window is closed, and I have not hit 1R here yet. But now that we're in the twilight zone, I have the option to manually close the four models or whatever the open models are. In this case, it's all four models. And that's what I'm going to do, guys. But I'm not going to close it outright here at 0.5R. I'm going to move my stop to break even on all four models. And I'm going to place an order, a limit order here to close all four models at 1R, plus 1R. And so either prices will come all the way back and stop me out at break even for all models, or it will hit 1R and it'll be 1R for all four models, one or the other, and then I will be done for the day. And there it is, guys. All four models out at 1R, guys, plus 1R here at 12:10 p.m. So we're in the twilight zone now. But as many of you have asked me to do when I dynamically manage a trade, I'm going to keep the video running so we can see how this eventually plays out. Does it continue on to 1.5 and 2R, or does it come back all the way to the original stop loss? So I will let that play out and I'll bring you back and update you as it happens. All right, guys, I'm back. It's 12:17, and unfortunately, I don't have the luxury of sitting around all afternoon. I just got a phone call, and there are some things that I need to attend to this afternoon. So I'm going to call it a day here, guys. Manually closed all four models at 1R, and that'll be it for today. Thanks for joining me for Twisted Tuesday, and it certainly was an interesting, messy day here on the New York session, but I will see you tomorrow for Hump Day. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Talk soon.